Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Run watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press and hold the crown button to open the settings. In settings, find the option called General, and once you find it, tap on it to enter. In General, scroll down and look for the option called Language/region. Once you find it, tap on it of course, here select the language, and now you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list, look for the language you would like to use, and once you find the language you like, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. It will take a few seconds for it to apply. Here we have it, and then you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face, and as you can see, the language was applied, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.